Namaskar, I'm Shamalisina. Welcome to foodie'shut. Today I'm making a very quick and tasty vegetarian after school or work snack, roasted tomato grilled cheese sandwich. Now you can enjoy this sandwich for breakfast as well. So let's get started. Now we are starting off by cutting the cherry tomatoes in half. If you don't get the cherry tomato in your place, just use regular tomato. Cut them thick round slices. Now once it's done, let's make a marinade. I'm going to add some Italian mixed herb in this shallow bowl, followed by some chili flake. If you are making this for your kid, then you can skip the chilies. After that, I'm adding a big clove of grated garlic. Now time to add salt and then pour some olive oil. You can add the butter too. Mix all the ingredients. After that, add the tomatoes and toss with the prepared marinade. Cover with a lid and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. To make the sandwich, heat up a cast iron pan or tawa. Now once your pan is hot, add these marinated tomatoes. Now if you are using the butter, then to prevent the butter burning, first add some white oil in the prepared pan and then add the marinated tomatoes. Now cook each side for a couple of minutes over medium heat. Once you see the tomatoes soften and develop the grill mark, then turn the other side. Cook just for a minute or so and then remove from the pan. Now, the trick to making a great grilled sandwich is achieving a golden crusty outside without burning the bread. So here I am using the same pan to make the sandwich and applying some butter. Now adding 2 slices of sourdough bread. Cook for a couple of seconds over medium heat. Add shredded cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Today I am using Aussie Tasty cheese, and yes, you can take any sandwich bread of your choice. Now sprinkle this herb and chili flake mix on the cheese, and of course this roasted tomato. Some more cheese on the top. If you wish, you can sprinkle little extra seasoning, that is totally optional. Now adding some ground black pepper and then the other bread and put some butter on top. Now crusty outside and oozy inside, the beauty of the grilled cheese sandwich. And to get the exact texture, you need to have some patience and cook over medium heat. Once you get the texture, something like this, and then turn the other side. Cook for another few minutes. Then remove from the pan and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and do let me know what you think about this recipe. I will see you soon. Till then, bye.